Hey, this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today, I'm here with one of my favourite recipes, or I should say favourite foods that I cook a lot with my kitchen gadgets, and it is these Mediterranean vegetables. These Mediterranean vegetables normally have a mixture of peppers, onions, cherry tomatoes, courgettes, and they're just absolutely brilliant for cooking with your gadgets. I've used them in the soup maker to make a Mediterranean soup. I've used them for hidden tomato sauce, hidden vegetable tomato sauce I should say, and so many other things. But if you're just learning how to use the Speedi and you want to know what the grill function's like and you want to make them all perfectly grilled like if you were cooking them on the barbecue, then these are fantastic. So let me show you how it's done. So I've got my pack here. Like I say, any of them will do. And all you do is you pop them out and load them on to your grill. Simple as that. Spread them out. Oh, that's a big bit of onion, that, isn't it? Have a look at that. It's got two pieces together, so I'm just going to separate them. And quick hand wipe, and then let's set the time and temperature. Pop your lid down. So turn it on, and for grilling these vegetables, we're looking for 240 Celsius, that's 465 Fahrenheit, and a simple cook time of 10 minutes, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. Did you hear that? That is the beep. We have beeped. So shall I show you what these Mediterranean veg looks like? It's just like a barbecue. If you want your favourite barbecue food and you want to cook them, then this is how it's done. Oh, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? So you can do this with pretty much any veg you like. You can chop your own up. I just wanted to show you the cook times quickly. So if you did want to do your own, just chop up your veg of whichever style you're using. Peppers, onion, garlic, cherry tomatoes, courgettes, or you might call them zucchini. Even aubergine or eggplant, as you might know it as, all work well like this. And you know, we've got quite a few people that are into the healthy lifestyle that absolutely love the grilled veg like this, and you can do the fish to go with it at the same time as well. It's just brilliant. So this is some that I did earlier, so let me try it and tell you what it's like. I just want to show you close up the colouring that you get on that red pepper. Isn't it amazing? This is just so good. And just add whatever meat or proteins you want and cook it all together, and it's amazing. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos, so why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.